I like that she wants us to be included in her session because she cares about our opinions and what we all can contribute to help reach our goals. So we all feel like we're on the same level, and we're all like contributing to different ideas and just like different ways we can plan for like the next year. And yeah, it's really nice that we all come together, and it's a nice time to just like sit down and like kind of go over everything that we all think we should talk about and kind of go from there. I feel like we're just more informed. Like at a lot of places where you're not included in like group discussions or just like strategic planning, which I've never done before, you just kind of feel lost. I like being included. I think we all really like being included in the planning process for the next year. And it kind of motivates us too, like when we talk about the goals and like just like how we can improve our planning. I think it motivates us to like really just try harder maybe. Dr. Bess is a really good leader. She's really motivated. She's really like blunt, which we all appreciate. Like she tells us exactly like how we do things here, so we can all like kind of just like give the best quality of care. She's very good at her job, and she like takes it really seriously, and that's why I think the strategic planning session is really helpful, because she reflects on the past year and she's like, okay, like we did great at this, like we celebrate the things that we got better on and the improvements, but then we also go over, you know, all the things that maybe need some improvement. And then she likes getting the feedback from us, so she's really good at including us. And I like that she kind of brings us onto her level, and she wants to educate us, which is another thing. Like she loves teaching us new things, and whenever we have questions about anything, like she will give us detailed explanations as to why she does something a certain way, because if we have a better understanding of how she works, then we work better with her. And then when we're explaining things to patients, like we just deliver a better service to them.